Trial, and hours after being acquitted of the most serious charges against him and convicted on 2 lesser counts, Combs was told he will stay in jail, awaiting his sentencing. Still, the music mogul's attorneys declaring victory, despite their client still facing years of prison time. Here's ABC's Andrew Dimber.
This morning, Sean Diddy Combs is behind bars awaiting sentencing after a judge refused to release him on bail. Combs was convicted on 2 of the 5 charges he faced.
Today's a great victory.
His lawyers declaring victory because the jury found him not guilty of the most serious charges, racketeering conspiracy and sex trafficking, which could have landed him in prison for life. Instead, the music mogul was convicted of the lesser charges of transportation to engage in prostitution.
It's a great victory for Sean Combs. It's a great victory for the jury system. They listened to every word and they got the situation right, or certainly right enough.
The lesser charges carry a maximum of 10 years in prison each, but prosecutors acknowledge guidelines in this case will likely mean Combs faces a maximum of 5 years total. The defense is requesting only a 2-year sentence, given that he has no prior criminal record. Combs was emotional after the verdicts were read, falling to his knees and mouthing "thank you" to the jury. His family celebrating on the street.
We love everybody watching. So happy. Pop's coming home.
But Combs not going home just yet, the judge refusing to release him on bail, citing this hotel surveillance video from 2016 showing Combs assaulting his then-girlfriend Cassie Ventura, the judge saying it shows Combs' propensity for violence.
His attorney sure did plead with the judge to release Combs on bail, and Combs looked pretty frustrated when the judge refused. At one point, he raised his hand as if he wanted to argue himself.
The judge noting Combs' own lawyers told the jury he was violent, saying you full-throatedly in your closing argument told the jury that there was violence here and domestic violence is violence. Despite Combs being found not guilty of the more serious charge of sex trafficking, Cassie Ventura, the star witness in the case, is at peace with the outcome, according to her attorney.
Obviously, she would be a lot happier if the jury had convicted on that, but she's at peace with the verdict.
Andrew Dimbert, ABC News, New York.